Alright, here's elevator number 3. This is the elevator number 3, the 19th and Vine Garage.
The south elevator.
The south elevator. But the main bank is on the north side. This is the south elevator on the south side. This is elevator number 3, the 19th and Vine Garage, University of Nebraska-Lincoln. This is the ThyssenKrupp from 2010 as well, 15 years ago. So here we go.
Phone 2.
Yep.
So it looks like I can get down
Still has a door buzz.
Aside, is there maintenance issues? Scan the QR to report it. If there's something wrong.
And still has a new a design. Advertisement. Let's go to 5. And the hand sanitizer is gone as well. Let's look up the side window.
So is it traction or hydro?
Hydro.
You sure?
According to the RAM.
Oh, okay. I would have said traction, but I don't know. But it has to go up and down with this guide rail here, right? Okay.
Here are 5.
Okay.
We'll go down to 1. And we'll look at the window, and we'll get indicator go up. Cavity going down. And below, look at this. Look at the panel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still
loose. But the main bank is very bad. Just like one over the Beetle Center.
Nice level. Nice and slow. There we go.
There we go. And we can take one last ride.
Why?
Because we'll watch the numbers.
Okay.
Oh, we'll have to ring the bell.
Okay. Okay, come on. Up we go. Last time.
Here we go. Yeah, that fan's too loud. Because you can't hear the motor because the fan's too loud.
Well, we can hear the motor of the fan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here are 5. Alright, let's go back down to 1.
Okay.
ThyssenKrupp trick.
Okay, come on.
See, white up is green, red for down.
That's right.
It's like a Christmas lights.
Yeah.
It's going to be a Christmas Eve ride. So this is just like the main bank. The fixtures, again, ThyssenKrupp Mavius vandal resistant. There's your phone. Still says label says Thyssen. This is supposed to be labeled says ThyssenKrupp. 3,500 pounds capacity, elevator number 3. They're missing a O'Keefe Elevator Company Incorporated logo. Alright, let's send it up. Now watch the door close, and we'll watch it go up. And there it goes. Alright, let's watch the elevator go up. And there she goes.
And, oh, you're right.
It's a hydro.
It's a hydro there. There's a big hydro tube there, right? That pushes it up and down, right?
Yep.
Okay. That's it for 19th and Vine Parking Garage.
For UNL.
For Christmas Eve 2025, right?
Yep.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.